Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice Rita. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome to this channel. In my video today, I'm going to be showing you how to add video to your presentation from YouTube. So if there is this nice illustration you want to use from YouTube and you think it's relevant for your presentation, I will show you how to add that. And what we have to do is to first go to YouTube and you search for the type of video that you're looking to insert in your presentation. So here I've opened this plant growing time lapse, and this particular video has several type of different type of animation that I could use. So you can see here there is this seed growing. If I'm interested in a germinating seed, I can define the time I want this video to start. So let's assume we want to insert just this particular part of the video. All you have to do now is to look for the share button, which is here, and then click on the embed option. Automatically, because I've moved the video to where I want it to start from, you can see the start time is showing at the specific location that I've dragged the cursor to. So the next thing I'm going to then do is to click on copy. Once you've copied that, the next thing you have to do is to open your PowerPoint presentation and then go to the page you want to add the video to. Don't use this option here because this option for insert video is from inserting video from your computer. So to add the online video, you go to insert and then look for this icon that says video on the right side of your screen and click on it. It has this different option. The option you are interested in using for this purpose is the online film option, where you then paste the URL that you've copied and then you click on insert. This will automatically insert the video to your PowerPoint presentation, and you can decide to adjust the size to the suitable frame size that you are interested in using. And now, if you want this video to play automatically without you having to stop your presentation to click on the play button, you go to the playback option and then select that it should play automatically. That way, when you then put your PowerPoint in a presentation mode, like so, when you click next, this video should automatically play without you having to click on it. And you can see that it started at the exact time. And you can see that it started at the exact time that we are interested in for our presentation. So this is how to add video to your presentation. And remember, when you're using a video from YouTube or any other platform, remember to always leave a small note to show the reference so that the people listening to your presentation can observe that you've acknowledged the source of that video because it's not yours. Thank you for watching today's video. If you find my video useful, please click on the subscribe button and write in the comment section if you are interested in me showing you how to do a particular tutorial. Until next time, I remain Alice Rita. Bye.